Hello everyone, this is Sudhir. Welcome back to my class. In this class, we are going to learn the important bits from coordinate geometry. These are very important for short answers and very short answers. The first question is, find the distance between 2, 3 to x-axis. So, first of all, we should take this y-axis and here it is x-axis. Now 2, 3 is a point located at, for suppose this is 1 and its origin 0, 2, 3 and here again 1, 2, 3. So 2, 3 is a point is here. This is a point 2, 3. And this point is, the question is find the distance from 2, 3 to x-axis. So this is x-axis. From here it has 3 units. Okay. So this point 2, 3 is 3 unit distance from x-axis. That means when we take here like P2, 3 is a point, they are asking from x-axis, you can focus on y coordinate. That means 3 units. Okay. For suppose the question is on x-axis, y-axis, then you take x-axis. That means it is 2 units distance. For suppose you can observe here. Now 2, 3 is a point. This is how much distance from y-axis. You can check, this is only 2 units. Okay. So it's very simple. The question is asking on x-axis. You can focus on y coordinate. That means 3 units. When the question is asking on y-axis, you can focus on x-axis. X coordinate. Okay. So finally this question answer is 3 units. So I repeat once again the question, find the distance from P2, 3 to x-axis, that is 3 units. Where is the point 0, 5 lie on? So 0, 5 is a point. This is like 0, y. So this 0, y is a point lie on y-axis. And for suppose the question is like 5, 0. It's like x, 0. It lies on x-axis. Find the midpoint of the line segment joining the points -5, 5 and 5, -5. So what is the midpoint formula? That is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is midpoint formula, and here the given points we take as, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Then here we get -5 because x1 plus x2, here x1 is -5 and x2 is +5 by 2. And y1 is 5 plus y2 is again -5 by 2. So -5 plus 5 equal 0 by 2 plus 5 minus 5 gets 0 again, so that 0 by 2. 0 by 2, 0 by 2, answer is 0, 0. So 0, 0 is the answer of this question. So the next question is, in the given figure, area of triangle AOB. So you can observe here what is the sides of AOB. Here the point 5, 0 and this is 0, 4 and its origin AOB is a triangle, and this distance is, here we have a 5, so that it is 5 units, and this distance, this is 4 units. So it's a right triangle. It's a right triangle. So area of right triangle is half AB, area of right triangle formula, half AB. So what is A and what is B in this? A is, we can take any one of the side as A, that I am going to take 5, and B as 4. Now we can cancel here 2 1s and 2 2s. So we have 2 into 5 is equal to 10 units, square units. Okay. So it's a area, so that we take the units as the square units. And next, very most important problem here. So find the distance between a cos x comma 0 and 0 comma a sin x. So as usual, we take this is x1 y1 and this one as x2 y2. So the distance formula you know very well. So root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so what is x2 here? This is 0 comma minus x1 a cos x y2 minus y1 a sin x minus 0 whole square, and 0 minus a cos x mean we have minus a cos x whole square plus a sin x whole square. So minus a cos x whole square, this is a square cos square x plus a square sin square x. So we take a square is common from this, then it is cos square x plus sin square x so a square into, because cos square x and sin square x in this, here this cos square x plus sin square x from trigonometry identities you know very well, this is 1. So a square into 1, that means this is root of a square. So root of a square which is equal to a. Okay, so the distance between the points a cos x comma 0 and 0 a sin x, the answer you got here a. It's very important question. So the next one is, if minus 1 comma 2, 2 minus 1 and 3 comma 1 are the vertices of a parallelogram, find the fourth vertex. Yes, it's very interesting question. So first we should take parallelogram. Point A minus 1 comma 2, point B 2 comma minus 1, C 3 comma 1, D x comma y. So 3 points are given here, the vertices of a parallelogram, then find the fourth vertex. So we should take the fourth vertex as, so let the fourth vertex dx comma y. So 4 vertices are there here. and these are belongs to parallelogram. So in a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. So that means these are the diagonal. So these diagonals are bisect each other. Then here we have, this is the intersecting point of the diagonal. Diagonal bisect each other mean, so these two diagonals are meet at one point. That means here AC midpoint we take as O, and similarly BD midpoint we can take as O, and these two midpoints are equal. That means midpoint of AC A minus 1 comma 2 C 3 comma 1 equal to midpoint of B 2 comma minus 1 and D x comma y. Okay, so here we can take these midpoints as x1, y1, x2, y2, and this one also here x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. Okay, so midpoint of AC. What is midpoint of AC here? Then you know very well midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2. Here I am writing that midpoint formula. This is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, so using this formula now, we should take them both are equal. That is, here x1 is minus 1. That means AC midpoint I am taking minus 1 plus 3 by 2 equal, sorry, it's not equal, comma y1 plus y2 means 2 plus 1 by 2. So this is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2 equal, again BD midpoint, that is 2 plus x by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2, okay, and minus 1 plus y by 2. Okay, so the next one, minus 1 plus 3, minus 1 plus 3, that means we have 2 by 2 comma, just to observe what is next here, this is 2 plus 1, that means 3 by 2. This one equal 2 plus x by 2 and minus 1 plus y by 2. So 2 plus x by 2 minus 1 plus y by 2. Okay, now when they are equal, just you can take them, these two also equal. Okay, because diagonals are bisect each other in a parallelogram. That means the diagonal AC midpoint and diagonal BD midpoint both are equal. So that I have taken the both are equal. Now finally I am going to take this both, means here this is x coordinates and this is the y coordinates, both are equal. Then what we get here, 2 by 2 equal 2 plus x by 2. And one more we have there, 3 by 2 equal minus 1 plus y by 2. So here 2 cancel and here also 2 get cancelled. Then we have 2 equal 2 plus x. Send this 2 here. 2 minus 2 equal to x. 0 equal to x. That means x is equal to 0. And in the same way, here also 3 equal minus 1 plus y. Just transpose minus 1 here. 3 plus 1 equal to y. Then y equal to 4. So what is the fourth vertex now? The fourth vertex is, so therefore the fourth vertex is 0, 4. So it's very important for 2 mark questions or 1 mark questions or for bits. So the next question. A point x, y divides the joining the point a, b and c, d in the ratio n is to n internally. Find the section formula. Generally, section formula is so what is the section formula? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus n2 m1 y2 plus n2 y1 by m1 plus n2. Okay, so here this is m1 and this is m2. So this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Okay, so that equal m1 is m and x2 here c plus m2 is n and x1 is a by m plus n, and again m1 here m1 means from this m. y2, what is y2 here? D plus m2, that is n. y1 is b by m plus n. Okay, so mc plus ma by m plus n, mb plus mb by m plus n. So just you know very well already what is the section formula. In that section formula, in the place of m1 and m2, they asked to use m and n, and in place of x1 y1 and x2 y2, and they are asked to take a, b and c, d. So the next one, the two vertices of a triangle are 3 minus 5, 10 minus 2, and the centroid is 2, minus 1. Find the third vertex. One of the most important question, this one. So centroid formula, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, so they are asking to find third vertex. So first given vertex are given a 3, minus 5 and b 10, minus 2. So let third vertex as x, y. Okay, so already centroid given. That given centroid is here this one 2 comma minus 1. Okay, now these all are we are going to replace here. That means this is x1 y1 and this one x2 y2, and here centroid is 2 comma minus 1. So 2 comma minus 1 equal x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, that is 3 plus 10 plus x1 plus x2 plus x3. What is x3 here? That is x by 3. y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, that is minus 5. y2 minus 2. y3, that is y by 3. Okay, so here it is 3 plus 10, 13 plus x. In the next step, the centroid 2 comma minus 1 given already. So here we have now 13 plus x by 3 and minus 2 minus 5, which is equal to minus 7 plus y by 3. So minus 7 plus y by 3. Okay, now from this is x coordinates, make them both are equal, and these are the y coordinates, these two also equal. Okay, so 13 plus x by 3 equal to 2, and similarly minus 7 plus y by 3 equal to minus 1. Okay, so 13 plus x, and by multiplying both 2 into 3, then 13 plus x is equal to 6, so that x equal to 6 minus 13, which is equal to minus 7, and here minus 7 plus y, and transpose this one, then minus 1 into 3, which is equal to minus 3. So y equal to minus 3, this minus 7 become plus 7, y equal to 4. Okay, so minus 7 comma 4 is the third vertex, right? Because the third vertex we have taken as x comma y, so that the third vertex is, therefore the third vertex this is minus 7 comma 4. Okay, so one of the most important model. So the next question, in the triangle ABC, AD is the median, A1 comma 2 and D3 comma 4, find the centroid. So first I'm going to take a triangle. In this triangle ABC, AD here, right? So AD is the median. Generally, centroid definition is the intersecting point of the medians. The intersecting point of the medians are called centroid. So the centroid will divide on the median in the ratio. That means, for example, here we are taking a point, something, okay, this is the centroid. The centroid will divide in the ratio, that is 2:1. Okay, so G is the centroid here. G is the centroid. This G divides AD. Okay, it means centroid. Centroid generally we can denote it by capital G. So centroid divides median. So here median is AD, right? In the ratio in the ratio 2:1. Okay, so from here again the 2 points are given. The 2 points we can take as x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Okay, this point we take m1, m2. Right, now the formula here, section formula we can use, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, so that what is m1 here? This is 2 comma x2. x2 is 3, 2 comma 3. m2 1, x1 is 1 by 2 plus 1. m1 y2. What is m1? 2. y2 is 4. m2 1 and y1 is 2 by 2 plus 1. Okay, so 2 into 3 equal to 6 plus 1 ones are 1. This one 1 ones are 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, right? So 1 by 3, and here given 2 4s are 8 and 1 2s are 2. Okay, so 8 plus 2 by 3. So 8 plus 2 by 3. Then 6 plus 1 is 7 by 3. 8 plus 2, 10 by 3. So this 7 by 3 and 10 by 3 is the centroid of a triangle. When the AD has given, to find the centroid you can use 2:1 ratio. Find the intersection point of the median of a triangle whose the vertices are 1, -1, 0, 6 and 3, 1. So just now we have discussed what is the centroid definition. So centroid is nothing but the intersection point of the median. Here they gave indirectly, find the intersection point of the medians. That means this is centroid. So you know centroid formula. So centroid is, we can take this one as x1 y1, okay, x2 y2, and this is x3 y3. So centroid equal to formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So that we take here 1 plus 0 plus 3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So y1 is -1 plus 6 and y3 is again 0 by 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4 by 3. Here 6 minus 1. So you can observe 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. Then it is 5 by 3. So 4 by 3 and 5 by 3. So here is the next question. If the point A 4, 3 and B x, 5 are on the same circle with the center O2, 4. Actually the question is here A 4, 3 and B x, 5 are the endpoints of the diameter and the center is 2, 4. Then find the value of x. Actual question is it is endpoint of the diameter. Okay, so now if it is endpoint of the diameter, they're asking the x. So you know what is the center of a circle here? The center of a circle is midpoint of the diameter. So what's the midpoint? That is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is the midpoint, and we should find the midpoint of the 2 points, that is a comma b, and here we have taken already 4 comma 3 as x1 y1 and b x comma y as x2 y2. Now using this one, so x1 plus x2 mean that is 4 plus x by 2 comma y1 plus y2, this is 3 plus 5 by 2 equal the center 2 comma 4. So we should take from here, you know that we should take x coordinates are equal and these y coordinates are equal. So then here 4 plus x by 2 equal these two, then 4 plus x, so you can multiply this 2 into 2, which is equal to 4, then x is equal to, if you send this 4 here, this is 4 minus 4, so x equal to 0. Okay, the next question is find the distance between origin and a sin x and a cos x. Okay, so here origin means, and you know what is the distance between origin to x comma y? The distance between origin means 0 comma 0 to x comma y, and you know very important formula, that is root of x square plus y square. Okay, so using this formula, and we can take the distance between the origin and a sin x and a cos x, which is equal to root of a sin x whole square plus a cos x. So this is a square sin square x, a square cos square x. Take a square common from this, that is sin square x plus cos square x. So a square into sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So root of a square into 1 is a square, square root get cancelled, we get answer is a. Write the condition of a collinear of the points x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So generally, you know the delta formula, that means to find area of a triangle, we have a formula delta equal to modulus of half of the modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is the formula to find area of a triangle when the 3 points has given. So to prove the collinear point, we should prove area of a triangle equal to 0. That means if you take here equal to 0, then by transposing this 1 by 2 here, it becomes a 0. Then finally the condition to prove the given points are collinear, that is x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. So very important condition this one. So x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equal to 0 is the condition to prove the given 3 points are collinear. If px comma 6 is the midpoint of the line segment joining a 6 comma 5 and b 4 comma y, find y. So if p x comma 6 is the midpoint of the line segment joining, so this is x1 y1, x2 y2, take midpoint formula again. So what is midpoint formula? This is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So here we have x comma 6 equal to 6 plus 4, x1 plus x2 by 2 means 6 plus 4 by 2 and 5 plus y by 2. Okay, and here make them these two are equal. So here 6 plus 4 is 10, then 10 by 2 equal to x, then 10 equal to 2x. So x is equal 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. So then here x is equal to 5, and the question is asking to find the value of the y. To find value of the y, make them these two are equal now. That is 6 equal to 5 plus y by 2. Okay, just transpose this one here. 6 into 2 equal to 5 plus y. Then 5 plus y equal to 6 2s are 12. Just transpose this one here. Y equal to 12 minus 5. Then y equal to 7. Okay, so y equal to 7 is the answer for this question. The next one, a point on x-axis. So generally the point on x-axis like x comma 0 form. So x comma 0 form is there, here b, so b is the answer for this question. Coordinate geometry was introduced by René Descartes. Answer D for this question. The distance between the point minus 6 comma 8 from the origin is, so use the formula. From origin means you can use x square plus y square, that is root of x square plus y square. Then root of x square is minus 6 square plus y square is 8 square. So minus 6 square is 36 and 8 square is 64. Okay, so 36 plus 64 root of 100, which is equal to 10. So the answer is here 10 units. Which of the following points is nearest to the origin? Nearest to the origin. So there are different type of methods to check whether it is nearest to the origin or not. So one of the finest method I am taking here, that is coordinates I have drawn and it's the origin. Okay, so the point 2 comma minus 3, so just we can keep a point like 1 2 3, okay, and 4. So similarly here it is 5, this one 2, okay, 3, and take here like minus 1 minus 2, so minus 3 minus 4 and minus 5 like this. So 2 comma 3, 2 comma minus 3 first point, and okay, here we take minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 so on. So the point 2 comma minus 3 we take here, this is 2 comma minus 3, and 5 comma 0 is the point on x-axis. So 0 comma minus 5 and x-axis 0, y-axis minus 5. Yeah, this is 0 comma minus 5 and 1 comma 3 and x-axis 1, y-axis 3. So this is the point 1 comma 3. Okay, so you can observe which is the nearest to the origin. So the point 5 comma 0 is 5 units distance from the origin. Even 0 minus 5, that means option C also 5 unit distance from the origin. And this point 2 comma minus 3, if you find what is the distance between the 2 points from the origin using root of x square plus y square formula, then you can take, just I'm going to check this one because it's very clear this is 5 unit distance, this one also 5 unit distance. Now to find this one, you take 2 square plus minus 3 whole square. So 2 square is 4 and minus 3 square is 9. So this is the root of 13. Okay, so root of 13 is one of the option we have, and 1 comma 3. So just this one also I'm going to check. So 1 comma 3 is here. Root of this is 1 square plus 3 square. 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9. 1 plus 9, which is equal to root 10. Okay, so it's very clear, root 13, root 10. Which is the smallest value? Then yes, definitely that is root of 10 is the smallest value. So that means 1 comma 3 is a point, this 1 comma 3 is a point, this is nearest to the origin. So this point is nearest to the origin. So we can go with the point that is D. Okay, I hope you understood this model. So the next question is, define the point of trisection. The point of trisection means a line segment which divide into 3 equal parts. Otherwise the points which divides a line segment in the ratio 1:2 and 2:1. So 1:2 and 2:1 ratio. So then the 2 points are called the trisection point. Find the midpoint of the line joining 0 comma tan 45 degrees and tan 60 degrees and tan 0 degrees. So as usual we take this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So as per the midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, then we take 0 plus tan 60 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So tan 45 degrees plus y2 means tan 0 degrees by 2. So 0 plus tan 60, this is root 3 by 2. Tan 45 1 plus tan 0 is 0 by 2. Then finally what we get the answer here, root 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Okay, so root 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2 is the answer for this question. Find the sum of the distance from 3 comma 4 to x-axis and from 5 comma 7 to y-axis. So what is distance from 4 comma 3 to x-axis? I said already, when they're asking the distance from a point to the x-axis, you can focus on y coordinate, that is 4, and the distance from 5 comma 7 to y-axis, then you can focus on x, that is 5, then 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9. Okay, so 9 is the answer. For your understanding here, we will take one more, that means y-axis, x-axis. So 3 comma 4 is a point. We can take 3 comma 4 is a point. So approximately here So this is like 3 comma 4 and 5 comma 7, an x-axis here 5, y-axis 7, here somewhere it is 5 comma 7. Okay, so this 5 comma 7 is, the question is asking from the x-axis, 3 comma 4 from the x-axis. Just you can check this distance, that means it is 4 units from here. So 0 to this point is 4, and this is asking on y-axis, then you take here, this is 5 comma 7 they gave, so it is 5 units. Okay, so joining 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9 is the answer. It's very interesting question. Find the value of a so that the points minus 2 comma a lie on the line 2x minus 3y equal to 5. So what you do here, the given line is 2x minus 3y equal to 5, and here minus 2 comma a, this is x and this is y. You can substitute in that numbers, that means 2 of x is minus 2 minus 3 and y value is here a, okay, which is equal to 5. So here 2 into minus 2 is, this is minus 4 minus 3a equal to 5. Just transpose this one here, minus 3a equal 5 minus 4 become plus 4. So minus 3a equal 9. Okay, a equal 9 divided by minus 3, which is equal to minus 3. So a equal to minus 3 is the answer for this question. So it's very easy problem. Find the value of a so that the point minus 2 comma a lie on the line 2x minus 3y equal to 5. Then 2 into minus 2 minus 3 into a, which is equal to 5. So after simplifying this minus 4 become plus 4. 5 plus 4 9, a equal to 9 by minus 3, which is equal to minus 3. Find the coordinate of the points which divides the line segment joining x1 y1 and x2 y2 in the ratio 1:1. Or here another question the same. Deduce the formula for midpoint of the line segments. It's very simple. So you know very well what is the section formula. The section formula is section formula is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 m1 by 2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, so here m1 is to m2, so this is m1 and this is m2. That means 1 as m1 and one more 1 is you can take as m2, and x1 y1 x2 y2 is this is as usual. Then we have m1 mean 1 into x2 plus m2 is 1 into x1 by, so m1 plus m2 means 1 plus 1, m1 again 1 into y2 plus m2 1 into y1 by 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 into x2 is x2 plus x1 by 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1 into y2 is y2 plus 1 into y1 is y1 by 1 plus 1 is 2. So from this we get, by writing in the order, that is x1 so finally what we get, x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, so this is midpoint formula, and we will move into the next question. Find the circumference of a circle passing through -1, 4 and having its center at origin. So once again we will take a circle. Okay, so find the circumference of a circle passing through -1, 4. So just we are taking a point like -1, 4 is here. Okay, if it is -1, 4 and this is the center O having its center as origin. Okay, so this is 0, 0. Now we should find this distance. What is this? This is radius. This is radius. So the length of the radius, to find the length of the radius, we should use the distance formula. And of course here the center is origin 0, 0. Then directly you can use a formula root of. So you can use root of x square plus y square formula. Then root of x square is -1 square plus y square is, this is 4 square. Okay, then root of -1 square is 1 plus 4 square is 16. So root of 17. So root of 17 is a point. Sorry, this is the length of the radius. Now what the question is asked here, find the circumference. So what is circumference of a circle? This formula is 2 pi r. 2 into, so pi value is take 3.14 and the radius root 17 value you can find at least 2 decimal places. So how to find this? Take 17.0000. So take a point here, here one dot and here one dot. So this is 4 times of 4, 4 4s are 16. 1, take these 2 zeros now. Okay, so it is 104, 2 times are 8. 8 after if you take 1, it become a 1. So this is 81. So 4.1. Okay, approximately you can take a 4.1. So just by multiplying this 3, 25.748 units. Okay, so this is approximately 25.748 units. So it is one of the important model. So they are asking to find circumference of a circle. So you have to find the length of the radius and you can use the formula 2 pi r. Some case they can ask area of a circle, then you can use pi r squared formula. And here r is the length of the radius, that is from center of a circle to the point, that means the distance between the center of a circle to the point on a circle. If the distance between 0, 0 and a sin x, a cos x is 4 units, then find the value of a. So the distance between 0, 0, that means from origin, right? The distance between origin we are taking again. So you can take this one as x and y. Okay, so the formula we can use root of x square plus y square, because from origin directly you can use this formula root of x square plus y square. This one given here 4. Okay, so it is 4 units. Now you can substitute here a sin x whole square, and what is y? A cos x whole square is equal to 4, and take squaring on both sides. Take squaring on both sides, then square root get cancelled, and then here we have a square sin square x plus a square cos square x is equal to 16. Then take a square common from this. A square is the common. Then you will get a sin square x plus cos square x equal to 16. Then a square into 1 equal to 16. So a square equal to 16, then a equal root of 16. So a equal plus or minus 4. Either it is plus 4 or minus 4. The perimeter of a triangle with vertices 0, 4, 0, 0, 3, 0. Okay, so you can use the distance formula, otherwise the simple model I am going to explain you. These type of questions, when they are given 0, 4, 0, 0, 3, 0, then you can take here, we take now, it is origin 0, 0, and it's a point like 3, 0, and here is another point like 0, 4. Now I'm going to take the line, okay, right? Now to find this perimeter, so you can take 0, 3 is 3 units, this is 0, 4, this one 4 units, and you can find the distance between these 2 points. That means using x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, you will get answer is 5. By adding these 3, then you will get answer is 12. This is one model. The another model directly using the formula. First I'm going to take this given 3 points as A 0, 4, B 0, 0, that means origin, and C 3, 0. Okay, so first I'm going to find AB distance. Okay, so root of x2, no need, just x square plus y square we can take because one of the point in this origin. So then we have, yes, this is 0 square plus 4 square, which is equal to 4 square. That means square root get cancelled. Here we have 4. So AB distance is 4, that what we found here. And we take the distance between BC using the same formula. This is 3 square plus 0 square. So 3 square is 9. So root 9 value is again 3. So this is the 3 here. And we should find the distance between AC. So this is root of x2 minus x1 whole square formula I am going to use. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is 0 minus 4 whole square, that equal, this is 3 square, and here it is minus 4 square. So 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. So 9 plus 16 equal to root 25, which is equal to 5. Okay, so now the perimeter of a triangle is sum of the 3 sides. So perimeter of a triangle is sum of the 3 sides. That means 4 plus 3 plus 5 equal to 12 units. Okay. AOBC is a rectangle whose 3 vertices are given. Okay, AOB given. The length of the diagonal is asking. So if AOBC is a rectangle, then AB is a diagonal, right? Diagonal means the line segment which join the two opposite vertex, right? That means AC diagonal, these two length we need to find. So use the distance formula, that is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is x1 y1 and x2 y2. So x2 minus x1, 5 minus 0. So 5 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1. This is 0 minus 3 whole square. So root of 5 square plus minus 3 whole square. That means this is 5 square is 25 minus 3 square is 9. 25 plus 9 equal to root of 30. So the area of a rectangle, the area of a triangle, the vertices. Okay, so again we should draw a figure to understand this one. Y axis, x axis. So the point origin, okay, and 3 comma 0 is a point is here, and 0 comma 7 is here, so that should join this. Okay, it's a triangle. So to find this area of a triangle, already we have discussed, that is, this is what, 3 units. This is 4 units. Okay, so it's a right triangle actually, area of right triangle. So area of right triangle, half AB is the formula. So that half A2, in this A is 4 and B is 3. So you can consider one is A and another one is B. 2 and 2 2's get cancelled. Then 2 3's are 6 square units. Okay. The point which divides the line segment joining the point 7 comma minus 6 and 3 comma 4 in the ratio 1:2 internally lie in the ratio. So you can take this is x1 y1 x2 y2 and the ratio given m is to n. Okay, so the section formula you know very well, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, so what is m1 here? That is 1 and x2 is 3, m2 is 2 and x1 is 7 by m1 plus m2, that is 1 plus 2, m1 y2, m1 is again 1 and y2 is 4 plus m2 is 2 and y1 is minus 6 by 1 plus 2. Okay, so m1 is 1 and m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is equal to 1 3's are 3. So this is 3 and 2 7's are 14 by 3 and 4 1's are 4 minus 6 2's are 12 by 3. Okay, so here we get 4 plus 6 20 by 3 and this is minus 8 by 3. So one is positive, another one is negative, mean x positive, y negative. X positive, y negative is belongs to the fourth quadrant. So D is the right answer for this. generally when we take x-axis, y-axis, and here you can find out positive x and negative y. So it is belongs to the fourth quadrant. The point which lies on the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points a minus 2 minus 5, b 2 comma 5. So we should draw a line to understand this one. And the perpendicular bisector, okay. So perpendicular bisector mean, then this red color line is the perpendicular bisector here. It should divide here, that means it should divide these both in the same ratio, that means like equal parts. Then can you guess what is this point? Yes, this is midpoint, okay. So midpoint, that means to find the answer here you should use the midpoint formula. So you can take this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Use the midpoint formula to find out the answer here, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So minus 2 plus 2 by 2 and minus 5 plus 5 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, okay. So then here you will get 0 by 2 and here also 0 by 2. So 0 by 2, 0 by 2, that is equal to 0 comma 0, okay. So once again the question here, the point which lie on the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the point minus 2 comma minus 5 and b2 comma 3 is, that mean perpendicular bisector mean that is midpoint of a line segment which is joined minus 2 minus 5 and b2 comma 5. So the midpoint, when we find the midpoint, we got here 0 comma 0 is the answer. So these are the top most 30 important questions, that is short answers and very short answers. So practice very well these all questions. So this is Sudhir. Thanks for watching. See you soon.